In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Power E asterisk trade. Power E asterisk trade is an advanced trading platform designed for buying stocks, ETFs, options, and futures, complete with powerful charts, tools, and real-time data. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to open Power E asterisk trade. Start by signing into your E asterisk trade account. Once you're logged in, look for the option to access Power E asterisk trade. You can do this on the web or through the app. After clicking on Power E asterisk trade, you'll be greeted by the trading dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, giving you a comprehensive overview of the market at a glance. Now that you're in the dashboard, let's find a stock or asset to explore. Locate the search bar and type in the symbol of the stock you're interested in, such as AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. Once you've entered the symbol, click on the stock to open its dedicated page. This is an essential step because it brings all relevant information about the stock to your fingertips. Inside the stock page, you'll see various charts and data that update in real time. You can switch between different time frames such as 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month depending on what you need. Adding indicators like the relative strength index or moving averages can provide deeper insights. This is crucial because it helps you make informed decisions by analyzing trends and patterns over time. Once you've reviewed the data, it's time to place a trade. Click on the trade button and you'll be prompted to make a few choices. Decide whether you want to buy or sell the stock. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade and choose the order type such as market or limit. Take a moment to review your order for accuracy. Finally, click the submit button to execute the trade. By doing this, you ensure that your order is processed correctly and you get the desired outcome. Power E asterisk trade also offers a suite of tools to help you analyze and research before making a trade. You can use market scanners to find trending stocks that might interest you. If you're involved in options trading, explore the options chain for detailed insights. Stay updated with live news and alerts that can impact your trades. The platform even provides risk and reward analysis tools. These resources are invaluable because they empower you with knowledge and can potentially enhance your trading strategy. If you decide to trade options, start by searching for a stock you're interested in. Open the options chain to see your choices. You will need to pick between a call or a put option. Choose an expiration date that aligns with your trading goals and select a strike price that makes sense for you. After making these decisions, place your trade. Remember, trading options can be complex, so it's essential to understand the implications of each choice you make. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating and using Power E asterisk trade effectively. By following these steps, you can confidently explore the platform and make informed trading decisions. Keep practicing, and you'll become more proficient over time. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.